Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. And over there today start from the west part on Benesari Street, exactly at the front of the beach, until to the east part, the end on Legian Street. So let me show you how busy in this area today. Yeah, right there, just 100 meters is Kuta Beach, Bali. And I will make video start from the west until to the east part on Benesari Street until Legian area on Legian Street. Let me show you how busy in this area today. In this area on Benesari Street, there is a lot of small hotel, like a cottage and guest house. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Wow, still not really busy yet, but maybe soon it's really busy around here. Wow. (12 p.m. in this area. Let me show you how busy Benesari Street today. Hello. How are you, brother? Sleepy. Few hotel, cottage and guest house, also bungalow in this area. This is Kuta Beach Hotel. Yeah, my viewers from Malang will stay here. I mean domestic tourists will stay here a few months ago. Okay, let's keep continue walking along Benesari Street. Let's see together how busy in this area, but so far it is still very quiet, isn't it? Well, they will learn how to surf on Kuta Beach, Bali. That's good. The restaurants not really busy yet. They're having fun with the selfie. And this road actually is one way for the car and two ways for motorbike. Few restaurant, but very quiet, isn't it? Really bad for business, really sad actually. One way for the cars and two way for motorbike. Okay, let's keep continue walking along Benesari Street. And at the left side, there is Lusa Hotel. My subscriber, Sam and Juice and family will stay here. Benjo. Wow. Very loud. There is a construction here. Very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because there's a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Benesari Strait. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Yeah, this is very quiet, futurist but not really busy at Benesari Strait. Woo. Even in the restaurant, not really busy yet. Should be lunchtime now. Yeah, it is very quiet in this area, isn't it? I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment. I hope you ever been staying in this area, so you know exactly where we are at the moment. Also, maybe you will planning to stay in Benesari around next your trip. I hope this video will give you the option and show you how look like Benesari Strait actually. See, one way for the cars. Woohoo. If I turn left, there is Lebak Bener Street. If I turn right, there's the way to go to Poppy's Land too, over there. Woohoo! Was so hot. This is Lawalun Hotel, also Legian, because since long time ago Grand Lawalun. Yeah, maybe you ever been stay in this hotel before. This is hostel terrace, also look like nice inside. Okay guys, so this is our dinner today in Kuta Bali on Benesari Street. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know how you like the situation at the moment at Benesari Street. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, some loud music here. This is at the front, around 100 meters is Raya Legian Street. Okay, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.